In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple elements in Canva. When working on a Canva project, you might find yourself needing to move or modify several design elements at once. Thankfully, Canva provides a simple way to do just that, and today we're going to explore how. To begin, open up your Canva project where you have the design elements you'd like to modify. Let's say you've added various images, text boxes and shapes across your canvas, and now you want to adjust them all together to maintain harmony in your design. This is where selecting multiple elements comes in handy. The first step is to navigate to your Canva workspace, where you will see all your design elements. Move your cursor to one corner of the canvas area where your elements are located. Now this is the fun part. Click and hold down your left mouse button. If you're using a laptop trackpad, press and hold with your primary click. Then drag the mouse across the canvas to create a selection box over the elements you wish to select. As you drag, you'll notice a translucent rectangle forming, which helps visually distinguish the area you're selecting. Once all your desired elements are enclosed within this area, you can release the mouse button. Congratulations, you've just selected multiple elements in a single swoop. But what if your elements are scattered and you don't want to select everything in between? Not to worry. Canva allows for selecting specific elements, even if they're far apart. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click on each element one by one. This will let you pick numerous individual elements without the need for continuous dragging. This method is perfect when you have isolated elements that need collective adjustment. Once you've selected the necessary elements, Canva provides a variety of options to manipulate them as a group. You can move them around the canvas, align them, or even resize them together. Simply click and drag any one of the selected items to move the entire group. For precise placements, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. One of the great things about this feature is that it saves time and ensures consistency in your design work, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on logistics. By using these selection techniques, you'll be designing more efficiently in no time. That's it for today's tutorial on how to select multiple elements in Canva. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. With just a few clicks and drags, you can manage and enhance your projects with ease. Thank you for watching and happy designing.